Hello. So we have ran into another inequality function question. So how do we solve this by the help of Desmos? Let's get on to that. So first, we put the credentials as it is from the question. Okay. So and we are going to mark. 19, does this marks? No. Okay. So we just have to put any value from. Let's take this table for example. Okay. We just take this example, and label, and this 21 120. So in this type of question you will observe, wait, let me just magnify it for better visuals. Yeah, getting back to the function. uh, in these type of inequality question where the options are given as this kind of table, uh, you will see that uh, these two questions, you just have to focus on the x values. Okay. There will be two cases: either all of the questions x value will be same, 19 20 21 19 20 21 19 20 21 19 20 21, or two are like in this case only two x values and two x separate x values are the same. So it will be very easy for us. So let's see which of the following tables are okay, which of these coordinates actually lie on the function. So what's our function? Our function is actually this range. Okay. Sorry, this region. So this given function, y is smaller than x and x is smaller than 22. These two given functions actually combine to give us this region, if you can see this region. So we have to make sure that one of these function actually lies on this region. So sorry, one of these coordinates, sorry for this, one of these coordinates actually lie on this area. So we have to find which one is this. So the option one is not a viable option. As you can see, all three actually lies outside. uh, let's put another value. Yep. So I'm done with putting the second value, and as you can see, all of the 3 points actually lie on this overlapping portion. So option B will be our answer. But to further clarify, we can just say 23 22. So it doesn't fall 23 22, and we can go with 24. One function doesn't fall means there is no solution at all. So let's go with option D, 23 24. As you can see, this also lies on outside of the function. So our actually reason is this. So neither this coordinates fall into the region nor this. So our actual answer is option B. As you can see, all of the three coordinates 1920 2021 2022 actually falls on this region. So actually it's a very easy question when you do from the Desmos. Thank you.